Hey Orlando homeowners, are you looking to sell your home and you are not sure where to start? Maybe you have questions about the process or you just want to become better informed. I have an event just for you. In this seminar, we are going to be not only serving coffee and bagels, but we're going to be covering what you need to know about the selling process. Capital gain taxes, how the market is doing, things you need to know to get your home ready for sale, the cost and expenses involved with selling, and much, much more. We are so excited to bring two stellar speakers, the Galan team with Signature Title to answer all of your questions about title issues, and Christine Pozo with Goosehead Insurance to go over required inspections you need to pass for a buyer to successfully finance the purchase of your home. If you would like to register for a free ticket for this event, go ahead and click on the link below, and we look forward to seeing you soon.